Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today we're loading an rotary drum dryer to Indonesia. As you can see, we already load this dryer to a container, and this dryer 1.2 meters in diameter and 12 meters in length. And this dryer will need a 40 feet high cube container for loading. As you can see, except the dryer machine, we also put the other accessories like the input hopper, output hopper, the electric motor, reducer, airlock into this container. Is the cyclone together working with the rotary dryer. This dryer for using dry the palm fiber, and the palm fiber moisture about 30%, and this dryer capacity could reach 1.5 tons per hour. This behind me, this is the hot air furnace for the dryer machine. As you can see, this furnace it's 5.7 meters in length and 2.2 meters in height. And this furnace has an two input mouse, and it can be used for all kinds of wooden waste, all kinds of agriculture, coal as fuel for burning inside this furnace. And inside of this furnace, it has a wall to separate the fire flame, spark, and smoke. So the only the pure hot air goes into a rotary dryer. As you can see, we're on production of this hot air furnace. We use the anti-fire and anti-high temperature bricks and the concrete to produce this stove. As you can see, inside of this furnace, it has a different area for fuel burning and hot air separation.